everyone, in this video we will be doing the ICT Paper 2 document production part of Paper 2, and we are doing the October-November 2023 paper. So let's get into it. Alright, so you have been supplied with these following source files, and we are going to start with task 1. Open the file N302 evidence.rtf and make sure that your name, center number, and candidate number will appear on every page of this document. So we will now go to our source file and open the evidence file. Alright, once your file is opened, we are going to go to Insert and you're going to choose Header. Then you're going to insert your header right here as your name and your candidate number and center number. Alright. Next, save this document in your work area as evidence followed by your candidate number, and it will be as such. Go to File right here, Save As, Browse, and you will save this document as evidence and followed by your candidate number. You want to make sure that the file is saved in the same folder. I'm going to change this to Word document. Save. Alright. Alright, so for task 2, you're going to edit a report about video gaming. The company uses a corporate house style for all their documents. Paragraph styles must be created, modified, and applied as instructed. Using suitable software, open the file N302 review. The page is set to A4. Landscape orientation with 2.5 center margins. Do not make any changes to these settings. 3 styles have been created. Do not make any changes unless instructed. Save the document in your work area as the file name VG Review. Alright, we're going to go to our source file and open the document. Then the question says to save this file as VG Review. So we're going to go to File, again, Save As, Browse, and you're going to save the file as VG Review. Alright, then it says to make sure that it is saved in the format of the software you're using, and you want to place this in your evidence document to show that the file has been saved. And make sure that we want to show our file type. Alright, back to the file, and you want to save this as Word document as it says in the question, and we want to save. Alright, so for the evidence, we are going to see that our file is saved right here, and the file type is showed right here. It's Microsoft Word document, and then we're going to press print screen to screenshot. Okay, I'm going to take a picture of this right there. And we're going to paste this as the step 1 evidence. Alright, there we go. Alright, next up, question 2, remove any page breaks from the VG Review document. Alright, go back to your document, and right here, when you're at home, under paragraph, you will see this icon right here, and you want to press on the icon and all of these will appear. Then you want to go into your document and search for this. When it says page break like that, you will highlight the entire thing and just press delete. Right, we're going to look for another one right here and delete. Okay, that's it, and you can turn it off now. Now, question 3, place in the header of the document the automated page numbers left aligned and in the header. Page numbers left aligned in the header. Okay, insert header. They want it to be left aligned, so you will put it right there. Yes, left aligned in automated page numbers in the header. Right here, and then we're gonna go to header and footer right here. Press on page numbers, go to current position and choose plain number. And then we will remove everything else here. Now in the footer, enter the text market review by, followed by a space and your name, center number, and candidate number right align. Okay. In the footer, right align and the wordings as such. Okay, I'm gonna go to footer, choose the second option, right align, market review by, followed by a space, then your name and your candidate number and center number. Then I'll delete the unnecessary. Alright, make sure that all the alignments match the page margins. No other text or placeholders are included in the header or footer areas. Headers and footers are displayed on all pages. Alright, that seems about right, and we're gonna close header and footer. Okay, next question. Select the subheading video games and the following text up to and including the paragraph ending, transactions and advertisements. Okay, to find for this, the subheading video games, you can see that it's right here, and we're going to find for the paragraph ending, transactions and advertisements. Alright, so what you're going to do to find, you're going to press Control F on your keyboard, and we are going to search for transactions and advertisements right there. So you're going to search. Okay, here it is, and we're going to close. So you are going to select all of this until the subheading video games right here. Oops. Okay, then the question says to change the page layout so that only this text is displayed in 2 columns of equal width with a 2 centimeter space between them. Go back to the page, and you're going to go to layout. You're going to go to columns right here and choose more columns. Choose 2 columns, and the width, you will not do anything to the width, but you will change the spacing as the question says. They want it to be 2 centimeters, and make sure that the equal column width is checked, and press OK. So your document will look something like this. Alright, next question. Create and store the following style based on the default normal paragraph style. Take a screenshot, and you'll do this afterwards, but we're going to have to create this style, and the style name will be VG subhead. So we're going to go to our document. Under home, in here, right here, you see style. Press on the expand button, and you're going to press right here to create a new style. Now name your new style, it will be VG subhead, and style will be based on the normal paragraph style, because it says right here that we have to base it on that. Then the font style will be sans serif, font size 20. Sans serif, we're going to choose Arial. Font size is 20. Alignment is center, bold, and italic. And then line spacing, single, and space before and after is 0. Line spacing is single, and space before and after is 0. Okay. Now take a screenshot to show that you have defined the settings for VG subhead style. Make sure there is evidence that you've based this on the default normal paragraph style. Place it in your evidence document. Alright, we're going to open the paragraph right here again. And we're going to take a screenshot of this entire thing, so print screen. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna paste this into our evidence document for step 5. Alright, up next, identify the 4 subheadings in the document and apply the VG subhead style to each one. We need to identify 4 subheadings, so go back to your document. And right here is one subheading. Press Ctrl on your keyboard and choose the next subheading. Right here is our 3rd subheading. We're going to find for our last one, which is mobile devices. And then you have your 4 subheadings, and you're going to apply VG subhead. Yep, easy as that. So, question 7, locate and move the paragraph starting with aggression competition between to the video game industry so that it appears as a new paragraph immediately after paragraph ending. Gamer controls the action. We're going to search for this paragraph first of all. Aggressive competition between. Again, Control F. Alright, this is our paragraph. I'm going to highlight the entire thing. Then you're going to press Control C on your keyboard and right click to cut. Okay, then we're going to search for the paragraph ending. Gamer controls the action. Alright, here's the paragraph ending. You're going to press enter and Control V to paste. Alright. Now question 8, using the data in the file N302 players, create a vertical bar chart to show the worldwide distribution of online games for the year 2022 only. Okay, we're going to open up this file. We're going to go to our source file. And here is the file, and we're going to open it. Alright, I'm going to press here and double click on the line to expand everything. And the question says to only create a vertical bar chart for the distribution of online game players for the year 2022 only. Sorry. Alright, so right here's 2022 and these are all the regions. So we are going to choose the data for 2022. Press Ctrl on your keyboard and choose all the regions as well. Okay, then we're going to go to Insert, and right here, this icon, you're going to press and choose the first option right here. Okay. Now it says to label the chart as follows. The chart title will be Global Online Players 2022 in millions. And then the category access title will be region. So to add the category access title, I'm gonna press on this plus icon right here, and you're gonna check on the access title, and you will choose the horizontal horizontal title, and we're gonna replace it with region. Alright, next, display only the data values on top of each bar, and do not display a legend. So we're going to press on the plus icon again, and we're going to choose data labels and check, and you will see that all the values appear on top of the bar chart. Okay. Then we're going to format the value axis to display a minimum value of 0, maximum value of 1500, and increments of 300. Alright, I'm going to go back to our chart, and we're going to press on the data right here and right click and press format axis. Here you can see the minimum is 0. So the question says to have a minimum of 0 and maximum of 1500. So we're going to change this to 1500 and change this back to 0. Okay. Then the increments should be 300. So under units in major, you're going to change this value to 300, and this will show the increments from 300, 600, 900, and so on. Okay, now we're done with the chart, and it says to insert the chart after the paragraph ending game players in 2022. Going back to our Word document, Control F, search for the line. Alright, here's the line. We're gonna press enter and go back to here and press on your chart, right click, and you're going to choose copy. Going back to your Word document, and right there, just Control V to paste. Okay. Make sure the chart and all data fits within the column width, and all data labels are displayed in full with no overlap, and there is a 6-point space after the chart. Okay, to do this, we're going to go to our document, and right after the chart, like where your cursor is right now, we're going to go to paragraph right here and expand. Then the spacing after should be 6 points, so it is already set to that, so we do not need to make any changes to that. And I'm going to press OK. Alright, question 13. The style named VG list has already been created, and modify the list so that the following formatting is applied. Okay, go back to your document. Under style, we're going to go to VG list right here. Right click on VG list and press modify. Okay, we're gonna make the font style sans serif, and font size is 10. Sans serif is Arial, so font size is 10. I'm gonna change this to Arial, and the font size should be 10. The alignment is lined left to the margin, and it should be italic with a numbered list. Alignment is to the left, and then should be italic. Now for the numbered list, we're going to go to Format and press on Numbering. Alright, then we're going to choose this one because it says that it needs to be a numbered list as such. Okay. Okay. Then line spacing is single and space before and after is 0. So we're going to just do that. Go to paragraph. Line spacing is single, before spacing is 0, and after should be 0 as well. Okay, place in your evidence document screenshots of the style settings for VG lists to show that you have made these changes. Make sure the screenshots show all the changes made to this style. Going back to our document, we're going to open the numbering tab first, and we're going to take a screenshot of this print screen. And screenshot right there. Okay. Then we're going to paste this into step 13 evidence. Going back to your document, we're going to open VG list again. And you will open paragraph to show this. Okay, can close that now. And then just paste after that. Okay, question 14. Format the paragraph that starts with mobile gaming is expected so that it is indented 1.5 centimeters from both left and right hand margins. We're going to search for this paragraph. Mobile gaming is expected. Control F. Okay, here is your paragraph. We're going to highlight the entire paragraph. Then it says to make sure it's indented 1.5 cm from both left and right hand margins. Once this is highlighted, we're going to go expand on paragraph. Right here on indentation, you will do 1.5 cm for both left and right margins. There we go. Alright, the final step, spell check and proofread the document. Make sure there are no lists that is split over the two columns, no widows or orphans, no blank pages. Original styles are maintained. All styles are applied consistently. Spacing is consistent, and we're going to make sure of that. Yep, everything seems fine. So we're going to go to review and press on this icon for the spell check and just change whatever is necessary. Alright, our spelling grammar check is complete. Now save the document using the file name and the format used in step 1. Then you will print this finished result. And yes, that is it for document production for October-November paper 2-1 2023. Thank you so much for watching.